Hey guys, I get lots of questions on how my wash day has changed since doing a keratin treatment. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I go from this really messy bun to this really cute style. This is actually part one, but stay tuned for that. Because I use the Cleo keratin treatment on my hair, I like to also use their products on shampoo day. I'm going to be using their clarifying shampoo for the first wash, their protein shampoo for the second wash, and I'm going to be conditioning with their protein conditioner. One adjustment that I don't always have to do is pre-pooing. I always detangle my hair, but if my hair, as you can see right now, is not really tangled, then I will not do a pre-poo treatment. So I definitely believe that if your hair is a tangled, matted mess, then it's going to get worse while you're shampooing. But since my hair is normally stretched these days, I don't always have to pre-poo. I can just go ahead and add the water on my hair and get to shampooing. Another change is that, as you can see, I'm not shampooing my hair in sections. Y'all, my hair is so thick. Before the keratin treatment, I had to always shampoo my hair in sections, and now I can shampoo all my hair at once, and this feels so amazing and saves me so much time on shampoo day. I just want to speak about Cleo products. This is shampoo that I'm using right now, and it has so much slip. The lather that it creates is so much to the point that I'm able to drag it down my hair and I don't have to apply more product, which allows me to save more product, and therefore you're saving more money. After rinsing the clarifying shampoo out, now I'm going to apply the protein shampoo. This shampoo also has tons of slip. As you'll see really soon, I'm able to use my scalp brush thing, whatever it is. I use it as a massager, but I'm able to use that to start the detangling of my hair. After rinsing that out, I am going to get as much of the water out of my hair as I can. I do this because my hair is low porosity and everything just rolls right off of it. So if I get some of the water out of my hair, then I'm in a better position for the conditioner to get into my hair, penetrate my strands, and actually condition my hair. After working all that through my hair, I did let it sit for just a few minutes and then I rinsed it out. I normally like to take my hair down and then put leave-in on it, detangle it, and then twist it up before it dries. But mom life, I wasn't able to do that. So now my hair, it's damp. A lot of the water has been taken out by the t-shirt. And now I'm just going to go ahead and detangle and style it all in the same. So to detangle my hair, I will be using the Advanced Styling Cream and Hair Serum, both again by Cleo, and these work really well to detangle my hair. They're also a heat protectant, and although I won't be heat styling my hair today, I still like to use it as a leave-in. So I'm going to show y'all the detangling process after the shampoo. Like I mentioned before, I normally like to do this soon after shampooing and conditioning my hair, but I'm gonna detangle it now and then I'll show you this really cute style. It's actually a mommy and me style that I did on both my hair and my daughter's hair. So make sure that you subscribe so YouTube notifies you whenever that video is posted. If you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope it helps some of you out. Bye.